I've been testing OpenAI's new AI agent called Operator, and I have to say, it feels like a major step toward fully autonomous AI tools in 2025. What makes Operator different from traditional AI assistants is that it doesn't just respond to what you ask. It actually navigates websites, clicks buttons, fills out forms, and performs tasks for you in real time. Operator is built on OpenAI's newer model that combines advanced language understanding with visual reasoning. This means it can interact with computer screens almost the way a human would. It doesn't rely on APIs or specific integrations. It literally sees and understands what's on the screen and takes action. Tasks like scheduling appointments, ordering products, or even navigating software interfaces can now be handled by an AI agent with very little instruction. That said, it's still a work in progress. In my experience, while Operator is impressive in terms of what it can do, it's not always the fastest or most accurate, especially when it's dealing with websites that have pop-ups, dynamic content, or unusual layouts. It also requires patience as it processes each step carefully, which can feel slower than doing it yourself. Right now, it's only available to select users through a research preview, so access is limited. And since it's still under development, you can expect some hiccups along the way. Still, if you're excited about the future of AI doing real-world tasks with minimal input, Operator is definitely worth keeping an eye on. It may not be perfect yet, but it shows just how close we are to truly hands-free productivity through AI. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with anyone interested in cutting-edge AI, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.